Hello everyone, welcome back new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix cannot download. Please ask that it's resent to you on WhatsApp in iPhone and iPad. If you want to download anyone picture or sticker but face this type of error, so how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting, and from here scroll down and click on journal, and from here what you need to do it, click on iPhone storage, and from here search for this WhatsApp app and click on offload, and after few minutes you have again installed, and after that check for problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your app store and play store, and from here search for this WhatsApp app, click on WhatsApp app, and from here what you need to do it, update your WhatsApp. After update your WhatsApp, check for problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your setting, and from here scroll down and click on journal, scroll down and click on transfer reset iPhone, and click on reset and click on reset network setting, enter your passcode and click on reset network setting. After reset network setting, I hope your problem will be fixed. If that is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.